2024. What a year for the stock market. From sudden bull runs to jaw-dropping crashes, it was nothing short of a roller coaster. But here's the big question. What does 2025 have in store? Are we entering a golden age for investors? Or should you brace for impact? Today, I'll reveal the sectors poised to dominate, stocks that could skyrocket, and exactly what the experts aren't telling you. So grab a notebook, because by the end of this video, you'll have the edge you need to crush your 2025 financial goals. Let's rewind to 2024. The year started with optimism, but by mid-year, cracks began to show. Interest rates were hiked multiple times, shaking up everything from real estate to the tech sector. Remember the massive layoffs in big tech? Companies like, insert examples, slashed thousands of jobs, sending shockwaves through the market. But the biggest twist? The energy sector surprise rally. Who would have thought that amidst global recession fears, oil and renewable energy stocks would emerge as saviors for investors? And then there was AI. Stocks like, insert examples, didn't just rise, they skyrocketed, fueling dreams of a new economic revolution. So, what does this all mean for 2025? Keep watching to find out. All right, let's talk predictions. If 2024 was about survival, 2025 will be about growth. But not all sectors are equal. Let's break it down. Keycap 1: Artificial Intelligence. AI isn't just a buzzword. It's the backbone of the future economy. Companies like, insert examples, are pushing the boundaries, and experts predict AI-focused stocks could grow by over 20% in 2025. But here's the catch. It's a crowded field. Look for companies with real-world applications and proven revenue streams. Keycap 2: Electric Vehicles. EVs. Tesla may have led the charge, but 2025 will be about the challengers. Think Rivian, NIO, and even legacy automakers like Ford, who are doubling down on EVs. The global push for sustainability means EV adoption will only accelerate. Keycap 3: Energy. Traditional and renewable oil isn't dead yet. With global demand still strong and geopolitical tensions high, traditional energy stocks could see short-term gains. But don't sleep on renewables. Solar and wind energy companies are set to dominate as governments pump billions into green initiatives. Keycap 4: Healthcare Innovation. From telemedicine to biotech breakthroughs, healthcare is an evergreen sector. But in 2025, the focus will be on gene therapy and personalized medicine. Stocks like, insert examples, could offer explosive growth. Keycap 5: Emerging Markets. China, India, and Southeast Asia are expected to outperform Western markets in 2025. Look at ETFs or companies with strong exposure to these regions. These sectors aren't just about hype. They're backed by real trends and capital flows. But remember, even the most promising sectors come with risks. That's where expert analysis comes in. So, what are the experts saying? Well, here's the twist. Opinions are divided. Some are bullish, predicting a major bull run fueled by easing interest rates. Others warn of a looming recession due to high debt levels and geopolitical instability. Take Expert Name, who recently said the AI sector will drive 50% of global stock market growth. Sounds exciting, right? But then there's Expert Name, who argues that we're in a bubble similar to the dot-com crash of the 2000s. Here's my take. Don't blindly follow the hype. Instead, focus on fundamentals: revenue, profitability, and growth potential. Remember, data doesn't lie. So, while predictions are fun, your investment strategy should be grounded in facts. Now that we've covered the what, let's talk about the how. Here's your game plan for 2025. Keycap 1: Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Balance high-risk growth stocks with stable dividend payers. Keycap 2: Stay updated. Follow economic indicators like interest rates and inflation. They're the compass for market movements. Keycap 3: Invest in ETFs. If you're unsure about individual stocks, ETFs offer a safe way to ride sector-wide trends. Keycap 4: Don't overreact. Markets are unpredictable. Stick to your long-term strategy and don't let fear dictate your decisions. Remember, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Now it's your turn. What are your predictions for the stock market in 2025? Will AI continue its dominance? Or will we see a surprising sector take the lead? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's start a conversation. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let's make 2025 your most profitable year yet. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed is the first step to financial freedom. See you in the next video.